Hi everyone, so for today's video, let us practice how to double crochet. And this video is for beginners. So let us make chain 10. Now let's make chain 20. Okay. Since this is double crochet, let us add 2 more chain. Yarn over and insert your hook from the third chain from your hook. It's 1, 2, 3. So insert this here and then pull through and then pull through and pull through. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through in these 2 stitches here. And then yarn over again and pull through in these 2 remaining stitches. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. So from this moment, this is how your row will look like. And let us continue this process until you are comfortable making the double crochet. Just repeat the process until you are comfortable making double crochet. And this is how your final row should look like. And congratulations for making your first double crochet row, and I am hoping that this video tutorial will help you with your future crochet patterns. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.